everyone. Welcome to WebvisionsBD, and we are provided web design, web development, and digital marketing services. If you visit our website, you can go our services, then you will see what service we provide. And most of the time, we are using Elementor for website design. Recently, we clone a website. This is our project agency, Richard Agency. So I made this website, and this is a really simple and really smart website. When I clone this, I saw that looks is too much easier and so much professional looks. And using this project is limited, but when I did this project, the client was so happy, and they give us a 5-star reviews as well. So the most important is this our domain right now. And when I here is a contact us pages, on the contact us pages, anyone can submitted their contact from, and we added a phone number. Also we can add a mail also on here. But when I check on the page speed, then without optimization, when I check on the mobile, then I saw 84% on here. I didn't any optimization right now here. And on the desktop, it's right now showing 74, but if I check again, then I think that will be more increasable. So mobile is the very important for every website, because of most of the user coming our website using mobile, because of everyone have Android phone, so they can use, they're using this phone, they can visit our website, they can come our website for taking the information. So this is the very important thing. On the mobile right now is 81, and if you go on the desktop, then it will take little time for diagnostics, and this is showing right now 77. But if we optimize this website, then this should become 90 plus, and also phone is should become 90 plus. Okay, so I think this video is helpful for you. So if you have any tags, feel free to message us on here. Just to visit our website WebvisionsBD, and then click to contact us, and then submit your query, your full name, email address, project, and your budget. And with your tags, you can describe your project details. Thank you so much for seeing this video. Thank you.